This portion is brought to you by Leading Edge International Academy.
Ang pagiging piloto ay isa sa mga pinapangarap na profesyon ng karamihan sa atin. Kaya naman ngayon, let's learn how to fly dito lang sa Leading Edge International Academy. Tayo na't take note. Una-una po, pwede pong malaman yung history po nitong Leading Edge International Academy.
Ang Leading Edge International Academy ay na-incorporate ito ng December 2007. Nag-umpisa kami talaga mag-accept ng students. Mga late October of last year. Kami ang unang computer-based flying school. We are retired pilots from the Air Force. Guaranteed ka na ituro namin kung ano yung dapat matutunan, may bonus pa. Yung alam namin sa military, pwede namin ituro.
Ang Leading Edge International Academy ay isang aviation school molding private and commercial pilots. Sa loob ng 2 months ay pwede ka nang maging isang private pilot at 4 months naman sa commercial pilot.
Malakas yung integrity. Nakikita mong well-experienced yung mga teachers. At the same time, they have the complete facilities. Ang unang step sa pag-abot nyo sa inyong pangarap ay quality education. Sabihin man natin ang Leia ay bago sa pandinig. They have quality standards and competent instructors that would make you one step away from getting to your dreams. At syempre, lahat ng yan dito lang sa Tatak Lokal, Tatak Pinoy, kung saan pida ka pamilya, mag-TV na, atin to.
This portion was brought to you by Leading Edge International Academy.